In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a PayPal invoice link, along with requesting money from your clients as of 2025. Let's dive right in to make the most out of your PayPal account, ensuring smooth and efficient transactions with your clients. First, navigate to the PayPal homepage. You can easily do this by typing paypal.com into your browser's address bar. If you have a PayPal account set up, this will be your gateway to managing all your financial transactions, whether for personal or professional use. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. Towards the top right of the page, you'll notice a login button. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you've set up any security measures like two-factor authentication, you'll need to confirm your identity, perhaps through a WhatsApp text or a regular text message, so make sure your mobile device is handy during this process. This helps keep your account secure, ensuring that only you have access to it. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the PayPal home screen, which gives you an overview of your account and recent transactions. From there, navigate to the summary section. This is where you can view your account balance, recent activity, and more, providing a comprehensive snapshot of your financial standing. In order to request money, you'll need to find the Send and Request tab. This option is conveniently located on the menu bar and it will lead you to all the features necessary for sending and receiving funds via PayPal. Once you're in the Send and Request section, look for the option to send an invoice. This is the key feature we'll be focusing on today. By selecting this, you'll be able to create a detailed invoice for your clients. PayPal provides an easy-to-use interface where you can fill out all pertinent details like the recipient's email, the amount due, and any notes or details about the transaction. Personalizing your invoice is important, as it keeps communication clear and professional. After drafting your invoice with all the necessary details, review it carefully to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, hit the Send button. The invoice will go straight to your client's email, making it both a quick and convenient way to request payment. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and send an invoice link through PayPal, making it simpler to manage your transactions with clients. Remember, this process can be repeated as often as needed, making PayPal a reliable and efficient tool in handling financial needs. If you have questions, feel free to explore PayPal's help section, as they have a wealth of resources available to assist you. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.